Ryan's first term is done, guys. Now second term, and Ryan grade is so good. Right? So proud of you, Nana. Are you having fun going to school? Dumating na yung in-order ko sa Blinkit at Mitigo. Manok lang ito at saka baboy. Plano ko kasi mag-chicken curry. Ito yung chicken legs pala. Then, ito ay chicken curry cut. Nagmura na yung Mitigo actually as compared sa dati. Dahil siguro sa kompetensya nilang Lulu Mall, di ba? Kasi malapit lang yung Lulu Mall dito. So, yung mga tao doon na bumibili ng fresh meat. Ito ay baboy. Yung packaging nila, take 450 grams lang. Kaya, dalawa-dalawa yung aking binili. Then, bumili din ako ng chicken wings kasi si Ryan gusto niya ng fried chicken wings. Ito ay, ito ata. Chicken legs. Then, ito naman, konting grocery, tapos mga gulay at prutas. Pang sandwich nila yan sa umaga. Drumstick. Little heart. Ridge guard. Raw banana. Ito yung mga gulay na usually namin binibili. Lemon. Patatas, banana ulit. Then, ito ay 50-50 ang paborito kong biskwit. Meron din tayong curry leaves. Lagi ko itong ginagamit kaya hindi nawawala sa grocery ko yan. Ito masyadong maganda ang okra. Then, ito brinjal at saka sweet potato. Usually, pag bumibili ako ng brinjal, may kasamang sweet potato kasi combination siya ng curry, veg curry. So, ayan lang. Ayan guys, magtupi naman tayo. Namiss ko ang mga ganitong vlog natin guys kasi past vlogs na ginagawa ko, yung mga days lang na may ganap kami. So, usually, nag-start akong mag-vlog and then hindi ko siya natatapos. So, yung mga previous vlogs ko puro simula, walang ending. So, ginawa ko, kinumbine ko na lang yung mga videos para alam nyo kung ano yung mga ganap namin, di ba? And, kaya hindi ako masyado nakakapag-vlog din. Kasi nga, laging ako lang mag-isa dito sa bahay. Pag nag-school si Ryan, ako lang talaga dito kasi si Daddy Ram, this couple of weeks, ang dami niyang mga pinupuntahan, mga meeting, ganon. So, ang dami niyang inaasikaso. Lumalabas siya lagi. And, may mga times pa nagre-reklamo si Ryan kasi late nang umuwi si Ram. So, pagdating niya, tutulog na si Ryan. Then, umaga, diba? Ako lang naman yung nag-aasikaso kay Ryan. Pag-prepare sa kanya sa school. So, hindi niya nakikita ang gising si Daddy Ram. Pagbalik naman ni Ryan galing school, wala na naman si Daddy Ram. So, hindi sila nagpapang-abot. Yan, nagkatampo na yung ating baby boy. Hopefully, hindi na maging masyadong busy ang ating Daddy Ram para makapag-banding-banding ulit. And, sabi ko sa sarili ko, ayun, kaya ko lang talagang mag-isa. kaya ko na nakayanin para makatulong naman tayo kay Adirang, diba? At hindi na siya mag-alala pa kung ano man yung mga kailangan ko dito. Ako talaga yung gumagawa. Kung hindi ako makalabas, nag-order lang ako sa Lepto, sa Mitigo. Lahat naman ay nakukuha online na lang. So, di ba? It makes life easier. Kaya ayun. And hindi din ako makalabas kasi ginagamit ni Daddy lang yung sasakyan. So, wala akong magamit na sasakyan. Kaya, Mami Merly, walang gala. Sa bahay ka lang. Ito na ang ating chicken curry, guys. It's already 2 o'clock, so kain na tayo. May plano pala akong i-renew ang aking nursing license, guys. So, sabi ng ate ko, dito daw sa website na ito, online.prc.gov.ph/home. So, nag-register na ako, tapos na ako dyan. Ang problema ko, kailangan kong i-change yung aking name from surname is Faelnar into Sana na. Kasi nag-change name nga ako, diba? And ang nakalagay dito, kailangan daw personal na pumunta doon sa PRC office. Nandito ako sa India. So, ano ang aking gagawin? But we'll see. I need to check it out. Baka pwedeng yung mama ko na lang yung magdala ng authorization letter ko para ma-change ang aking name sa license, and then makapag-renew na tayo. 2017 pa yung ko, guys. License ko na na-expire. Anong petsa na ngayon? Ang tagal na. Tahimik ng bahay, diba? Hindi na ako makapaghintay na makauwi si Ryan. Mga nakaraang linggo din, guys, nagkasakit si Ryan. Nagka-asthma siya. Pero sabi ng doktor, baka temporary lang siya. Kasi nga, bata pa. Ang tagal ng gamutan na nangyari talaga. Ito na lang, all better na siya, and back to swimming class na din. At least makakatulong din sa kanya yon. So, ayan. Lonely si Mami Verly. Laging nag-iisa. Ha? Nag-drama. Mga ganitong moment talaga. Ang dami kong iniisip. Ang dami kong pinaplano. Ang dami kong gustong gawin. Hello, my love. How's school? Guess, what's that smell?
Chicken? Noodles?
Huh?
Noodles?
No.
Chicken?
Chicken.
Chicken?
Yes. Chicken curry. You wanna eat now or you wanna eat later?
Later?
Daddy is here. You miss Daddy already?
Daddy was watching movies. This is Daddy love movies. That's like now Daddy took over. You both changed. Now you're watching there, and Daddy's watching there. Before you watched there, Daddy was there.
Where? Which one? Guest bedroom? Daddy is watching the guest bedroom.
Now see. Before, Daddy usually watch here and you watch there. But now you watch here and Daddy watch there.
Yeah. Okay. Go freshen up. Kakauwi lang nila. Where did you sit? Why is it so dirty? Huh?
Your shorts.
Your shorts. Do you have program today?
No.
No? Let me check if you have assignment. Huh? Parang gustong matulog ni Dira. Nakarating lang niya. Baka alis na naman mamaya yan. Okay. Oh, only English and maths.
also have Telugu.
Telugu?
I also have to do Telugu because the exam is coming.
Exam, okay. For this, I'm gonna give you your phone.
What?
English, you need your phone. Bring to tuition class and then study from there, okay? But don't forget your phone. Maybe you'll just put it somewhere then. Watch TV for a while. It's still 3:30. 5 o'clock you are going to tuition class.
So much time left.
Yeah. Because there's no swimming class. I love you. Love you so much. Happy? What is that, Hindi? Hindi practice? Why your Hindi notebook have
My man told to draw that.
okay.
Don't judge.
Okay. May tutoring class siya mamaya, guys. Pero, kailangan niyang mag-practice ng Hindi. Sabi daw ng tutor teacher niya. So, ginagawa niya yan before siya pumunta doon mamaya. Sleepy?
No.
Huh?
Meow meow
Meow, 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 meow. Huh?
meow meow
Meow, meow, meow.
meow 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 meow.
5 minutes, you need to go. Yeah. Finish that one. Is it good? Is it okay? Slowly, slowly. Ay, nako. I put everything there already. Your pencil case. And the other one is inside, I think.
Bye, mommy.
Bye. I love you.
Bye, love you, mommy.
See you later. Whee! You still have a lot of banana on your face. I love you.
Love you. Bye.
Careful, okay? Cycling. Don't look down. Look where you're going.
Okay, mommy. Bye.
Bye. If it rain, tell your tutor mom to call me. So I will pick you up.
Okay.
It seems gloomy weather, so maybe it will rain. Bye! Enjoy!
Bye.
Bye! Kulit. Hindi ko na kailangan magluto ng dinner kasi meron na tayong natirang chicken curry. Sakto lang. Hindi masyadong marami, pero okay na yan. Busog pa ako, guys. Sobrang busog pa ako. Ayan, ang dami pa naming rice. So, hindi ko na rin kailangan pang magluto ng rice natin. Ang kailangan kong gawin ngayon ay maghugas ng plato para mamaya hindi na masyadong marami ang ating hugasin. Ayan guys, tapos na akong maghugas ng plato. Tahimik na naman ang bahay kasi umalis na naman ating boys. Si Adira, umalis na naman siya. Siguro mga alas 8 yung darating. Kung swertehen tayong umuwi siya ng maaga. And nakakatuwa si Daddy Ram kasi everyday before lumabas ng bahay, nagdadasal talaga siya. And o bakas ng kanyang pagdasal kaninang umaga. Ginamit na ito. Ano ang tawag nito? Nakalimutan ko na. Pero parang incense stick siya. And gusto ko yung amoy. yung buong bahay nangangamoy nito. Ayan ang aming temple na kakalinis ko lang guys. Kaya very presentable siya. Meron akong ganito. Bigay ni Kuya Edgar. And then rosary. So Hindu and Christian God yung aming nakalagay sa temple. Alam niyo guys, hindi naman ako masyadong religious. Pero talagang ang laki ng pasalamat ko sa Panginoon kung ano yung buhay ko ngayon. Very settled, very contented. And then, yung binigay niya sa aking partner sa buhay ay ano talaga, responsable. And wala masyadong bisyo. Alam niyo, lumalabas minsan pero talagang super discipline kung gaano man siya ka-busy. Hindi pa rin niya nakakalimutan magpunta ng gym. Grabe guys, yung discipline ni Daddy Ram at saludong-saludo ako sa kanya. Then, yung aking anak na makulit minsan, pero normal lang naman maging makulit yung mga bata. Pero talagang, well-behaved them and very sweet. So, nagpapasalamat talaga ako na sila yung kasama ko sa buhay ko ngayon. And, nag-emotional na naman. Basta, daw minsan nababore ako dahil nga ako lang dito sa bahay. Pero, dahil dyan, marami akong naiisip na I wanna try something new, ganun. Open natin itong aking in-order sa Amazon. Battery ito guys para sa aking camera na M50 kasi dalawang camera ang ginagamit ko, ito at saka yung ZV-1. Ganito lang siya. Ayan. At least may pampalit ako kasi ito ay guys, isa lang. Yung backup battery ko ay nasira na. So pag lowbat na yung isang battery, wala akong magagamit. Good, okay naman siya. Ryan, come on. Dinner time. Are you hungry?
Yes.
Hindi pa ako gutom. Si Daddy Ram din hindi pa gutom. So si Ryan muna. You don't want to eat?
It's hard now, get it. It comes outside.
His tuition mom called actually. Called me.
Wait.
Ryan is crying there.
No, I'm not crying. Liar.
Huh? Did you cry?
No.
Then why?
Tell Daddy why, what happened?
Wait, what happened?
My mommy took the phone and then
On his bag?
and then when I was checking it to do my English, I can't find it.
Then?
So I was scared I lost the phone. So that's what happened. I didn't cry.
So
Mommy's telling lies.
The teacher called mommy?
Just teasing you.
Yes.
Yeah, the teacher called me. Ryan is saying he might forgot or lost the phone, so he want me to call you to just check if it's here. Then I actually removed it from his bag. Then I forgot to put it back. Sorry. So he was like, oh, where's the phone?
I checked like 3 to 4 times repeatedly.
Still hot?
From sides, not in the center.
From the top maybe.
Top. Usually center part, when the microwave it is hot.
Is it good, Nana? Still have curry left?
Yeah, still.
I'm
Funny.
still full now.
Mommy.
I'm really full, huh?
Is this your first time talking to my tuition ma'am?
Yes.
You really know, baby.
Usually I'm the one always communicating.
Did she call you also? No?
Doesn't matter.
Only mommy, okay. Prepare ko yung uniform ni Ryan. Naku, wala nang shorts. Kaloka. Check ko nga doon sa kabilang kwarto. Buti meron pang isa. Nilagay ko pala dito sa for iron na mga damit. Plansyahin ko na lang to. Time to sleep na, guys.
Good night.
Bye, guys.
Bye guys. Like, share, subscribe, like, share, ring the bell icon. Bye. See you bukas.
Can you remember Ryan?
Yeah, it's been so long.